Hi everyone, welcome to Run Deals. Go to rundeals.com to get this deal. Hi everybody, my name's John and I just received this 56 volt 50mAh battery. This is a very strong battery. It is heavy duty, fits right into the charger perfectly, and fits right into my blower just like that. It's got the same light on the back that lights up when it's ready to be used. You can see when I press the button, it turns green. And here we go. Let's see. Nice. Gives all the same power. The turbo works great. Oops, I got my chimes there. Works great. Super good battery. It has a good weight to it as well, and it has the power I need. This is so great. Love it. This is really great. The turbo works on it perfectly. It holds in, super powerful, really great battery. Highly